In this video tutorial, we are going to see how you can install WordPress manually on cPanel, step by step. So let's get started. First log into your cPanel, and select File Manager from Files. From here, select all the files to delete and delete them. Now select Upload, and click Select File. Select WordPress folder and open. Once uploading is complete, go back to your site via this link. So now the folder has been uploaded, extract it from this button. Select Path and extract. Once done, open your folder and you can see all your files. Select them all and click Move. From Path, remove WordPress and click Move Files. Select one level up and here all your files has been moved. Now delete this WordPress folder. Now on Google, copy your site name from left and search it on Google. Here first select your language, then before getting started, you need to know the following items. 1. Database name. 2. Database username. 3. Database password. 4. Database host. 5. Table prefix. Click Let's Go button. Now here we have database name, username, password, database host, table prefix, etc. Now go to cPanel, and select Me Admin from Databases. So here you have all the databases. Now open MySQL Databases, and here enter your new database name as WordPress and create database. Now click on Go Back. Scroll below to MySQL Users, here enter your username, select Strong Password, enter it again and create user. Now go back. Again scroll below to add user to database. For user, select Database WordPress and click on Add. Now manage privilege user, select all privileges, and make changes. Now go back to WordPress panel and here enter your username, password, host and table prefix is already filled and submit. So for error check again all the details, click on Try Again. From cPanel, copy database and enter database on WordPress panel. Then copy username and paste it here as well. Then enter your password and again submit. Once done and if you are ready, click on Run the installation. So on Welcome page, enter site title, username, password, confirm password, enter your email, select Search Engine Visibility and click Install WordPress. So you will get your username and password. Click on Login and enter your username and password and log in. So now you are logged into your WordPress panel.